Ene we say I we say empna twe akwakwa ye ade bia o twe na ne ankoye amfa ma wana amfibo wa be ma no de wotoma wo be bia bu ne ne wagini na ye good life so say you duri e dan ye guo ne de say bi no so hye nipa no ne e dan ne chese nyoma wo hormone na ko restaurant wo propose ya chese one just to munti ne break mpaboa ntade ni na yetimi age edifri wo mo ensem e kwakwa ya ade a to koso e wo meyi emu na so woni wo bi e twe empna e yo do a wo do no enti e na wo ye enyoma bi e de later on the nipa ne kase wo mpewa odo a wo nam so de toye no odo ntimiti firi ho ma like onyoma wo kai say osa akwaje amana yeye na senya popompo no ono krampo na wo so wo odo ye mpu no odi nyoma ma ye mfunso a anase ye bibi ensem fata de odi ama ye wo sa gidi free ye ensem ana eno ni chese ne dey enkomo a ababeto ye yapno eso na video bi e wo ho na busia ma ye ko hwe brand ye ba ye beto aso
Is ngayon dating the TV. Huh? It's not right. Ufuna kuhamba ngeke hamba ufuna kuhamba ngeke sister hamba. Do you want to go somewhere? We can call a bolt for you. We can call a bolt for you. No, let him take your bag. Let him take your bag. He can't do nothing to you. Let him take your bag. If he does not something to you, there's evidence right here. Sissy.
Na abusianfo se de mu amuhu no se wa abante wa na ye papa wo daka eso na chese wo je ne car ni BMW wa twama ne girlfriend na dampe no enti wo hia no ne car ne wo se wonje na wo je awie no kura boti mu se wo pian ga yi dia sheke ni dudu na susu se no me bi wo ho no aka wo fie wo se wonje account e wo se oba no enka eye ehunu enunti ena na wo pian no na abusianfo bi ne ba akuapreni e wa hase ya mene no abetwetwe enkomodi afa eye relationships that say you're right say be ma ujai eye oba na so oba ejai wa utimi eje wo nyoma e di free ne chen ya nti kam ho ani nwura enkomo no be bi ne aba no akwa ba bejo so abi ne bibi abokọ die ni ankokọ ado so we dey wa hunu what bi ate say meaning say me pe wa asem me ya ade ama me do o se ma me bi owo timi ka se wo do ne ba o do wo be ni ti wo ye bibia ma oba ne ya asondin a put me ka se de wa ya ma ni ti no o se je wa de because of odo na wo ma no wa like wa limiting and say wa ma sa wo do na fu ti wo je wa de fu wo ba no na ba relationship issue wa dane da ye te hu emema no so wo mo eji wo mo possessions and say nyoma wo mo gift say eye man during wo mo life and say relationship life ni egu no wo hwe sa ne ye ni esu ya ye meme yi eda na dina eye ne kwan so a
na me David na mepa asemi so pa me respect any mention na e man hwefo na me asemo eya na me ka say date a matured man na ayana sa enyumnyum ka say if you do good you do for yourself, like if you do bad as well you do for yourself. Na we say ekofo echeda entiase papa so we papa we ma wow we bodo so we ma wow na kewu say we papa mo bia onyankopon e de nshura e mo ane ama odada but we bone a anampo say papa na we ye na nyankopon nshura o also conscious of Pana, or person young couple, a day no near more, and I said, yeah, and you are not the shop. O person sounds with you food, so I said, I don't know I said, I ain't the prices and you. I feel so, I am the moon said, you go for empty and being good, I say. They don't appreciate gifts, I say. Say if you are gifting to someone and you have the perception, say, you don't want any expectation or you have no expectation for that particular action or for that particular person. Now your perception is, oh yeah, Papa Kaki. Say be na couple insure and keep your nasa nyemo we yeah baby so what you say na kanya kana otomano ana odinu ko school na hwe no school we no pass on pewa and can be person ba ko je ahye na ana person ba ko je fi
obesa ma na sign echi e wo school
ana kedi nim dia wo mu na wo ko je fi David eti nyemo wo ha say to what okay say bibi say na meet me nyen say na say we so nya hwe na ga on net we ana nke ebia wa anya ohwe wa na ka so onpewa sanga ka nka oje na say ka na nka say it me add up anything to your life inti wo kwa kwa you're just trying to make a scene, and this is a pure sign of immaturity.
Okay,
so what I say, I always say, tell my lady, say, oh, put it to me, that's the matured one, the matured person. Everyone, every man that is matured, all near this kind of things.
No, but me chawano matured no say a few more and say a dreaming in you.
That be matured.
So who say we are matured age.
What I say, I'm this old. Certain things will vary. Maturity has nothing to do with age. It has nothing to do with education.
Okay.
Or what we can say, me people say, me walk say, me do say, me masters, me PhD, or often our SHS, after about shock yourself, akwala or primary. It can be very matured than we school we PhD.
Okay.
That child can even give that person wisdom. It's not dropping a big wisdom in the life of the person and in the life of the adult, and that adult will take it up. Sister, I have so many people that are older than me that sometimes we talk and then they are like, sometimes we want to say, it's a different thing altogether. And they say message I mean, Charlie, your idea was in depth power, and now you use those kind of things. You see, I'm talking about opening power. Yeah, like that should tell us that maturity has nothing to do with age.
Okay.
It has nothing to do with your level of education.
Okay.
Maturity is about your actions,
Okay.
how you think about things, how you understand certain things, and how you implement things, how you even make certain things applicable to your life, the way you move, the way you do your things.
Okay.
That is the way, or that is what people will use to determine how mature you are.
Okay.
Into maturity, it has nothing to do with age, and it has nothing to do with riches. You know, for PMO,
So
what I say, I don't know a mistake and my and you more Bemana was Canana, kitty. I said, Bemano, rabbits here, see, Yomu, rabbits, what's a memorable month, say, man, say, at a never wow, your banner, or your crap, or when you say it's a snowball. But Bembo on matured man on pen and talk on they are not creators of those. They understand the woman be now. It will start here but last Tio Kakra knows I will be up on one tree and come back. No, sorry, but
our said the whole kind, that's a whole kind of man who say with that said the whole country, Bema and Ma baby not so good a year, Bema no passia in that aspect now.
They be that maturity and maturity is applicable to all sections or all sectors. Like I said, genders. That's what I say. Now, make kind of son a man you so what I say. And meaning say, Bema the open make a maturity, so I also shape mature. Someone who can adapt to your life, someone who is not too materialistic. It's a kind of pay. Oh yeah, then virgin. So they are kind of money. I want your man no boarding. So what I say, tea, sachet. We say I want my share of fee. Nina is car. We make up our Nina is car. You know on your Nina is car. So what? Where did you create scam? It's where the class, but your mom, you're too materialistic. Now, you don't have to look for someone or you're too materialistic. So what I say, those kind of people, they are very opportunist, and like I said, they are very dependent on independence. Or making independent is a different thing. As all general, they are dependent on you. And everything be original, so and you don't look for people like that unless, of course, oh yeah, obia now you be more because say, oh, don't person or girlfriend, and I say, oh yeah, which is something that I don't see it as ideal for any woman to accept, because nothing is certain in this world. Anything can happen at all. And I remember go to the Jao or Jao, nothing. We are on Sapine or the free but not Castle and Yamo Crow on Toma, those kind of things. I don't find it as ideal. Mabia or Babi or Tim's and man has to those kind of things. It is ridiculous. Now, maybe materialistic, so meaning said, and send a relationship be ever started. Oh, Nini panic a bon common, Ubemano, Nini panic as oh, see anything, and say, oh, listen, and say, you and listen to Obane Casana would see. What's a man during before the start of the relationship, when you ask us questions, that is where we are mostly concerned about the things that we want into. We drop it there for you to understand. Into all Casana would see your pain to go and say, about what I said, I made a pet, member of a shame, but to be a money, or bet to be on say, yeah. We know that under normal circumstances, Bema is supposed to be responsible, so yes, but obey specific on those subjects, obey boss watch on, as long as obey very demanding, obey your obia, obey stress and into no one to if oh, and I make her say, people do not understand how things work in a relationship. If maybe they come to understand how things work, like certain actions like this will not be taken. Nyama asana bibesino and a biso asana. It's if you're not capable to say, they are not saying, yeah, or bad, it's all done and pass out. Bemane, any deal to move say, on personal job and turn off or they just wanted a carry so still call while I should call himself so the knuckle. So I say, in two shots and say, or per se or Pabana, or person of made the record. Yes, they can't be no banner, moon, no person, or pure banner, ecofi. It's we beside what I was expecting the man to do. And I said, Ben, I'll be finding yourself in that situation. I saw what's not saying, no, do say, a dear putting me, yeah, obey. As I say, so what I say, and if possible, relationship, because it be a relationship, communication is key in every relationship. It's what will help is that Obano, none of that's no more was a damn potting, and maybe I wish Emma Obano every this way about you. So what I say, I think these are the things that we are lacking. This kind of wisdom, this kind of knowledge are the things that we are lacking. To be able to maintain our relationship or enhance our relationship.
Na me chawa no NGB di komodi di no ABC ba relationship say oba ene bema mu kama dwibom say mu pese motina. Is it all the time na yes say ebeko ye partner like Obia when you motive be a relationship or buy be a relationship more come because of said the papa people say a our de kawa e be shensa and no any motive or the era our relationship mo enti sa adwen e be mema so wo so ade wo oba say be play no na my be mako so ba say me dem e pe enti when you are going into relationship now is it there say and I said, obetimi ejina so I say every relationship must work out and every relationship never say work it out.
One say nipa no you will su any obia ni subai suni the buy just no bia you both are coming from different kinds of homes. Until there is a possibility say in the course of your life you come to know say that particular person say na be kind say the person doesn't understand you in this way. So if you're in a relationship where someone does not understand you, then definitely the relationship is going to end, right? And I feel to cry to far from that particular subject. And there is nothing certain in this world. They be America. So be anywhere a young person and see change is inevitable in the life of man. Things happen all the time. Okay. So what I say to me, people need to say change na change
relationship with there was saying go be our
because if you do baby the person will change. Once a son, if I was say who share the power And then 1 year now, only 2 years now, and then one send any panel and one David. Only new home that won't say, I said, the panel or a different the one house shaking say, this is someone I cannot stay with. So, there, because I expectation, high expectation always brings about what disappointment. It would need to say, one year, no matter what, then might be you are not happy for, and now you are not really ready for, or you get yourself into a marriage when you're ready for. One year, you will so what you buy, because who did she say, with the my imagine say, Minya virgin or no, I know her, and a winner virgin. So you, changing natural, so that one. So what I say, and so at the end of the day, more we in a coupon when collab our reading now, and they say, what should I say, they say, if they have an answer, no more divorce and nothing, no more children. These are certain things that you have to think about. It's more making certain things your standard so much say, this is the reason why you have to marry someone.
Okay.
And yes, I was at those kind of expectations now. And on the day is simply about
okay. Then what my who said, not to say, and you say, why do you say our relationship with a year our real mono? Now you bought a seminal of Anna. It's ye name say, and ye be behind the bit me up and I didn't say, ye get it to that point now. Yet me and control your own, now ye no man and say, and ye be piano. A day our new relationship behind a day our romantic community as I said that they are proposing in to know they are moving. Why didn't do some personas understanding the way you move a bonnet of my mind. And I say, yeah, we as people we have not come to understand certain things in life. Said there is nothing certain in the world. There is nothing certain in the world. All that people are focused on in your own life. Say a year and Juma. Ebia or person try to maybe na eduma no start business be and what failure back. Well, failure there a bar you have to rise up and get up. One of these are some of the things. A bar you have to leave this particular failure, move to the next level, and then rise up again. Do your best then. I know it is applicable every channel, every sector of our life. And when I'm on as a moon say relationships are different than altogether. Whether they call a junior planning business, business now calling your mama. That's how failure her. No moving to the next level. No that big relationship. So you can apply this kind of philosophy there. And to apply that now that is how things are. And it is applicable everywhere. These kind of things you will not find yourself in it. Otofan no our bonofan. Jo na e was here for e come on ache da net things so wa wu na ye bi ese bi gidi say mo susu wanya e yesu ade bi ade afim yen kan mo say any relationship bia na e de ye ekokopie e our remember the outcome of a relationship and you get am there you benya with other opposite people no yen hu say ye beje atum with a good faith na ye to e ho anamona ye move on na enumum etimi aban because all the time ye ko say perform me share ye PTC no and yet the right thing. Now with the AC subscribe to your channel so when you like your videos not share. Follow your IG page and your Twitter page so @tumagh_. If it's Kappa and you doesn't know share.